So if you take M is a plain text string, and the formula what we have used here is A into P plus B. So the A value is 17 and P value is the plain text what we have given here. The plain text number should be taken because we have already taken this plain text value as 15. So that should be taken here and adding it by 3. So the respective values are taken here as output. So how many keys are used here? So totally we are taking 26 alphabets and the 12 keys are used. So totally 312 keys are used, right? And this also can be easily attacked. Now moving to monoalphabetic cipher. So in this monoalphabetic cipher, instead of just shifting this, we are going to permute this alphabets, and we are going to take we can shuffle it and get it, right? So each plain text letters maps to different random ciphertext letters. So hence key is 26 letters long. Again the key is 26 letters long, and the plain text is given and the ciphertext is given here. So what we are doing here is we are taking that key as a 26 letters alphabet, and alphabet letters are taken, so that value will be added to get this output value. So the key size is 25 characters. Now have a total of 26 combinations. So 4 into 20 power 2 then 426 keys are there. With so many things, it is somehow secured. But sometimes what happens here is, as it is language characteristics, so we can easily guess it what will be the redundant value. Based on that, they can easily find out. So if this is a normal text, some of the letters are commonly used. By choosing those letters, we can easily find out what is the actual content present here. Some letters are commonly used and some letters are fairly used. So with the help of that frequencies, the values are calculated, and the respective frequencies for cipher 0 has been taken. Sorted frequency. And this is discovered by Arabian scientists in 19th century, and it is calculating letter frequencies for ciphertext and comparing the counts or plots against those values. So if you take the frequency in general, the character P is taking the least frequency, highest frequency of 13.33, and R is taking the least frequency.